Hello students. In this unit, we will talk about the exponential and logarithmic functions and their equations. So the notes are already posted in the portal. You can have a look on this, and we also have some solved problem there. Again, you can have a look on those. So we are just going through some basic questions related to this. So this is about graphing the functions, and these are all exponential functions. And you should know the transformations, and you can graph these functions easy for you. So like this is 2 power x, that's your base function, and we have a transformation of it. At that means this graph has shifted 4 unit to the left, and same way this graph has shifted 3 unit to the right because it says x minus 3. Okay, and those are the solution here for you. You can have a look on those. Next, the one we have to talk about is the graphing the logarithmic function. So remember always, whenever you are graphing any logarithmic function, this is the base of the log and that's the function. So make sure this x plus 2 it need to be always greater than 0, because we cannot find the log of 0, we cannot find the log of negative number. That means the restriction in this case is x has to be greater than equal to negative 1. Oh sorry, negative 2. And same way you can check for this also for the restrictions. So it says that x need to be greater than equal to 1. And then you know that if you draw the basic function of say y equal to log with base 2 as x, then this has shifted 1 unit to the right and 3 unit up. And then you can see these solutions here. Compare those answers. Just for a practice, you can have a look on these questions and look into their answers. Now here this is an example of the work where we have to write these exponent as a single power of any base that we have there. So like if you see this, say I'm going to do this question number f. So first you have to solve the inner part. This will become 7 power 2 divided by 7 power 4, and when you do this whole, it will become 1 over 7 power 2. Okay, and then now we have outside power as negative 1. So what we can do, we can flip the inner number and make the power positive. So it will become 7 power 2, and if you apply power of power rule, it becomes 7 power 2 power 1, which is just 7 power 2. That means your answer is 49. So same way you can do this. This should not be hard for you. It's the practice from grade 11. Like just looking to say we have to solve this 12a. So you can see we have these two bases, same base, and they are multiplied. So what we have to do, we have to add the powers. So it will come a power 10 plus 2p minus p minus 8. So it will come a power p plus 2. And that's your final answer. Okay, so these are the answer here. You can have a look on those two. Solving any exponential equations for the given values of x. So let me open another file here. So see, we're trying to solve this question. 2 power 2x over 2 power x plus 1 and then equal to 8. Let's try to do it. 2 power 2x plus, oh sorry, it's minus not plus. So right here, let me write it again. 2 power 2x minus 2 power x plus 1 equal to 8. So now this question will be slightly tricky. You just have to understand. So this 2x power 2x can be written as 2 power x times 2 power x. And same way, this 2x plus 1 can be written as 2 power x times 2. power 1, which is basically 2 equal to 8. If you are able to do it, you can solve it. Now what you are going to do, you can do some substitution. Say I'm going to substitute 2 power x equal to say y. Now it will become y squared minus 2y equal to 8. And then you can just reorganize it. It becomes y squared negative 2y minus 8 equal to 0. So it is a quadratic looking for two numbers which multiply to negative 8 and adds to negative 2. So the numbers are negative 4 and 2. So your answer will be y minus 4 into y plus 2. Those are the factors. They will give you y value as 4 and this will give you y value as negative 2. Now what we said? We said that 2 power x equal to y. So that means 2 power x equal to 4. And same way 2 power x equal to negative 2. Okay, so now if you solve this, you will get 2 power x equal to 2 power 2. That means x value is equal to 2. Okay, and here if you see this 2 power x equal to negative 2. Okay, and you have to find the x value here. So what you can do x equal to x log of 2 equal to log of negative 2. Okay, now you know that log of negative 2 is not possible. That means we don't have any value for this. So the only value which works is x equal to 2. Okay, so always remember the negative log is not possible. So we don't have the answers for that. So this is the way you can solve these equations. You have some more practice there in the portal. You can just try these questions also. Now simplify each of the following using change of base rules. So how we can do it? So you can see this one is log of 32. And then we have value as 2. Okay. So how we can solve it? Let this value be equal to say some x value here or y value here. So it basically becomes like 2 equal to 32 raised to power x. Okay. So what we can write 2, how we can express 2 in the form of power of 32 if you can write. Okay, so let us see, can I write 32 raised to power 1 over 5 equal to 2? We can do that. Why? Because 32 means 2 raised to power 5. So part time 1 over 5 equal to 2. They will cancel. You're getting value as 2. And now this 32 I can write log of 32 as a base, and then I say 32 raised to power 1 over 5. And now you can see they will cancel. Your answer is 1 over 5. And same way you can try this also. Like, the answer to that question we have done is, the answer is here. Okay, so most of the question that you will be doing in this unit is related to log and exponential. So it should not be hard for you. Just have a look on the questions and see how you can do the conversions. Like you can see here, they're saying log 10 and then we have this 1000 here. So what we have to do, we have to make the base of the number as same as that the base of your log. So we'll do 10 and here we write 10 to the power of 3 and your answer is, this will cancel, your answer is 3. Now say you want to solve this problem, what you do, log of 10 2x plus 1 equal to 2. Remember when they say log of 10, even if they don't write any base, that means by default the base is 10. So how I can express this in terms of exponential function now? I can write 2x plus 1 equal to 10 to the power of 2. That means 2x plus 1 equal to 100 and then 2x equal to 100 minus 1, which is 99, and then you can get x value as 99 over 2. And that should be your answer for this one. Also, if we have this kind of question, they're saying without table, simplify these questions. So we have to use the laws of log here. So you can see 2 log of 10 and 5 here can be written as log of 10 and 5 raised to power 2 plus log of 10 and then 8 minus log of 10 and 2. So this is log of 25 actually, and these are plus. Plus means we can multiply this value and write a single log. So we write log 10 and then say 25 times 8 minus log of 10 and we say 2. Now 25 times 8 equal to 200. So we'll say log of 200 minus log of 2 with all the bases 10. And then whenever there is a subtraction, that means we have to do the division. So we do log of 10 and then the 200 over 2, and that will be giving you 100. So now log of 10 and then 100 basically means you have to make the same basis. So do log of 10 and 10 to the power of 2, your answer is 2. So that way you can solve it. So if you want to check, I think we did question number 3b, question number 3 and b. So question number 3b, here you have the answers. Okay, so try these kind of questions. They are not hard. Okay. Now again they want you to evaluate it. So let's say we have to do log of 2 and then we can write here inside this 2 power 3 whole power 5 because we want to keep the base of the number and the base of the log same. So we'll do log of 2. Now this will come to raised to power 15 and then they will cancel. Your answer is 15. Okay. So this way you can try more questions. Okay. So I think this is enough for this video. Thank you.